All right, welcome back. We're gonna get into Microsoft in a second. First things first, P&L. We're up today, $40. Fucking Microsoft dumped on me, dumped on everyone. We'll talk about that in a fucking half second. But overall, good day. I should have held FE longer. That was my fuck up. Um, it is what it is. But I decided to sell early. Whatever. Went in on a few positions here. AYX, CrowdStrike, CGen. I plan on selling these if they gap up in the morning. I'm not holding these right now. I'm not really interested in holding anything right now, and I'll explain why. So yeah, tomorrow if all this shit gaps, we got Goldman Sachs. This has dropped like $25, nearly $25 fucking dollars. So I had to buy Goldman. I mean, if this shit gaps down on me in the morning, it is what it is. We're long holding. Still have a lot of net liquidity in the bag, but that's why we're going to be selling into this in the morning to just get the quick profits and get out. So let's jump over to Microsoft real quick because everyone's like, "Hey, why did they dump?" Well, dude, this is off top right now. I'm telling you, and I played Microsoft, and usually I never play earnings, but I knew they were going to be earnings, and they did beat earnings. But the thing is, earnings by the nature of the beast is about 50-50. So here we go. uh Wait for the guy. Yeah, dude, guidance is whatever, dude. I'm telling you right now, was great but not good. I mean, what are you talking about? It's Microsoft, dude. I mean, Microsoft is going to go to 250 by the end of the year, dude. There's just nowhere to put your money, and if this backs off, it backs off. I'm buying more as soon as it dips below 200, because if all these retail noobs want to just sell into this tomorrow and flip this shit short, I'm holding, and I'm by 100 fucking shares down in the 180s and 190s, dude. Because it's one of those stocks that if you long hold this shit, if funds long hold this shit, exactly beat. I mean, guidance. They're like, oh, guidance. Give me a fucking break, dude. Um, you know, and I just saw FE. All right, let's go to FE. Right, I just saw this stock. Here we go. They're buying it up, dude. Of course, they're buying it up, dude. At 205. This is gonna fully recover. This is gonna recover probably $4 by the end of this fucking video. Because big boys are playing this right now, dude. They're short squeezing us down, right? I mean, guess where we were? We were all up in here, right? So and and here's the other thing, right? Check it out, right? Let's say they do dump it down. Okay, well the 200's right there at 203. So what? Bought in at 211, right? At the tip of the top, waiting for the earnings. They crushed earnings. Let it get crushed. Let it just die down again into the 190s, dude. Let's go down. Let's go to 191, 193. Give it to me, dude. I'll be buying more, right? And this is nothing. This is nothing compared to what happened to this fucking security that dropped literally 45, 46%, dude. And then from the previous high, 48%. Okay. I called it this morning right here down here, but I just didn't hold. I should have held until 29. I'm a fucking idiot for not doing that. That's my fault. It is what it is. But you know, what I'm trying to illustrate here is there's a difference between Microsoft dropping like $4, which let's draw that chart real quick. This is also on a downtrend anyway. So this does not surprise me that they're just unloading and people are wake up and panic sell into this, dude, like idiots, because they refuse to buy the dips, dude. I mean, at least I bought at the close where it dipped. I could have bought down here in the morning at 208, right? Which I was up for. I just didn't do it. Also around 6:30, they also dipped down to around 208. So I had my chance to get in, but even if I got in at that strike, right, we would still be out of the money. So let's just check out how bad it would really be. And if you're only working with 25 shares, I mean, someone's gonna laugh you out of the room, right? I mean, sorry, yeah, it's nothing, right? 4% drop, dude, makes no sense, right? I mean, dude, and the other way you can look at it, well, Microsoft is now almost 5% off, dude. I mean, give me a fucking break, dude. How often do you get Microsoft at 5% off, right? And then so we bought down here, the best possible location, be 2% off. So it is what it is, dude. I mean, you can see this. The fun, they're already stepping in, dude. So whoever unloaded here, they're probably unloading for rebalancing, right? The reason why I want to get out, right? Just saw these positions here, right? Check it out. The reason why I want to get out is because I know funds are going to be rebalancing in about by Friday. By Friday, I guarantee you tomorrow we start selling down, and we sell down on Friday as well. And then that selling continues until Tuesday. That's what I think. Tuesday or Wednesday. I mean, there, and I'll show you the charts, right? I'll show you the futures. And some people say, "Oh, the futures don't mean shit." Okay, fine. Don't look at the fucking futures, dude. Don't look at the indexes. Just trade fucking Microsoft and go to sleep, right? That's fine. But I'm telling you right now, in my opinion, let's go to 2 hour. Okay. We're not in terrible shape right now, but we are losing momentum. I can see it. I can see this rolling down, and it's going to be lights out soon. Okay. Unless they just step in with huge amounts of money, which makes no sense. So something like this. All right. Obviously, we got all the support down here. Right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's what we're dealing with. That's the structure of the market. Right now, we're on a downtrend. We're losing momentum. We haven't even dipped below the 50 yet. And I'm telling you right now, I'm not loading heavily until we get down below this 200. Now, the 200 is moving up. That's a good thing. Okay. We're not in this downward movement where at the time, actually, this 200 has just been screaming. Yeah, it's been screaming the entire time, dude. This 200 has not kicked down. The higher we go, dude, the more likely that this 200 eventually rolls over, right? And when it rolls over, then you have to be extremely fucking patient, right? So this was a huge damage. Like what was this last week? There was a big sell off. I guarantee we retest this whole zone down here. Let's go. That's the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's going to be stronger. Oh, sorry. Well, no. The Nasdaq's the one that's actually losing steam right now. I think the the SP futures are showing a lot more strength because this sell off was barely even felt. So right now the S&P E-mini futures, all right, this is the chart I primarily use to gauge where I think the overall market is heading. All right, and right now we are just on an uptrend with a very small momentum change. Right. So right now we're still bullish, but I'm telling you, dude, I mean, they really kicked in the gas to push this higher. Okay. And if we do not break out, basically what I think the top right now is going to be, it's probably going to be around here. I think this is just the brass tacks hard stop is 3,300 on the S&P. Right. Turn this up a little bit. Okay. That's where I think we're going right there. I think that this is where it just stops, right? The music just stops right there. And then we have to experience some pain. Because, dude, we have not got a big pullback. Look, dude. This is why you save your money in the bank, dude. Because this sell-off is... 3 days. 3 days of just non-stop selling. We do not have that ballistic run-up. You can see that the power here, the bands, the separation between the bands is much different here. This is more calm. This is more tame. This is more of a 45-degree angle up. Okay? But I'm telling you, you do want to save money in the bank for days like this where the securities that you've been waiting to go on sale are just getting fucking obliterated, dude. Right? So just be aware of that. Right now, we are still bullish. Okay, which is amazing, dude. I mean, they really tried to flip it again at 9 a.m. Didn't work. All right, 1 a.m. They tried to bring it down in the pre-market. They said no, we're going higher. All right. So just be aware of that. Okay. I said rebalancing is coming up in a few days, dude. These funds have got to rebalance. They cannot just hold shit on their books for months and months and months, hoping the economy is going to get better. The economy is fucking wrecked, dude. Okay. We know that. I don't need to sit here and explain that. You know, we know that. But that doesn't mean there's not opportunities. So we go down here. This is the shit I was buying today, dude. Guess where we're buying? We're buying at the fucking close, dude. Bought this security, oversold on the 2 hour. This is a 2 hour chart. Remember what you're looking at. This security, oversold. AYX, not oversold, but again, buyers are stepping in. Okay. They're stepping in right there a little bit, barely any life, big sell off. Okay. I flip this in the morning. I do not hold this, dude. It's losing momentum. So as soon as it gaps, I sell into it. This is likely to continue down. I like this security, and this is why I bought it. Okay. I personally like this company. Okay. I'm not married to it. Okay. But I'm telling you, companies that I'm just tracking like this Beyond Meat, they just tend to run in the morning quickly, and then they get slammed down like the rest of it, right? AstraZeneca bought at the close. This is just getting hammered. This is not oversold yet. Okay. This can continue down further. However, again, bought at the close. This is the best possible price at the moment, given the circumstances, given that parabolic run up. Again, we're not oversold, but we're getting damn near close. That's why I bought, right? I will sell into that gap because we're just not oversold yet. Baidu, same thing. I had a better entry than this, but let's see what the entry is. I have to move this up. I have to fix this. Yeah, I fucked up this entry. Yeah. Yeah, I had a better entry than this, but it is what it is. I had an entry down here, but then I sold it and rebought it because I thought it would dip more. But again, this is just not oversold in my opinion. This is going to continue down further, I think. Even though we're starting to get to the point where it's oversold, I'm not really seeing that final stab in the ground, and that's what I really want. I want that final stab where the security, just drops one more time, right? Like these big wicks. This is what I want. So it's getting close. If we pop up, I'll sell into it 123, 124. I'll sell into it. Beyond Meat, I had a better entry on this as well. Actually, yeah, I had a better entry on this. So this one's going to be 130.67. Yeah, I fucked this up as well. I had a better entry on this one, and I just didn't hold. So in the top of these wicks, this is still a good price compared to where we were, dude. Imagine holding up here at 142, just being pissed off, right? Again, I should have set my buy orders down here at 126, 127. It is what it is, dude. It didn't get there today. Got down to 129, sitting at 129 all day. So again, if this pops up to 131, 132, 133, which look, it likes to do that. It likes to do that by 7 a.m. First bar of the day. It pops all the way up, top of the wick, 131. So that's a quick rip, dude. Again, here, this is 7 a.m. bar. So they pump this pre-market. I'm selling right into it. Again, as long we're under the 200 as well, right? We're under the 200. Again, we're buying at the bottom of the range here, and we can buy this all the way down. We can wait and wait and wait and buy it like 118, 120 as well. So all this is not oversold. This is still strong security. A lot of money pumps into this security, dude. You can see it. Just they like to run it, dude. This is a close. They like to run it and then short it down, dog. Make your life miserable, dude. This is like they like to run it, wreck you. They like to run it, wreck you. They like to run it. What do you think is gonna happen? You get the point. Chewy, I could have bought at the close, but I just want a better entry down here at 147-ish, 146. Okay, that's my line in the sand. This is probably gonna go to $60 at some point. Back to 152, certainly. Colgate, I could have bought at the close, but it showed so much power at 11 a.m. I just didn't really want to chase it. This will probably sell off during the next market dip, and then we'll wait back here at 172. Let me come down here. This is a safe company though, dude. Christ's sakes, dude. People got to brush their teeth during a pandemic, right? Colgate, like dish soap and shit. Like, come on, dude. Um, uh, CrowdStrike. I bought the close. Let's see what the strike is on that. Yeah, 120. Yeah, 29. Yeah, so basically right there. So we're good. I mean, again, CrowdStrike is one of those companies where Twitter just got hacked. Cybersecurity is going nowhere right now. This could dip down into the 90s, right? It can dip down in the 94s, 98s. Fox decided not to buy it. I don't think I bought any Fox. Let me see. I might be incorrect on that. So autistic dumping fucking Microsoft, dude. When retail is just gonna flood in. They're gonna flood into Microsoft, dude, at those prices. So this is obviously we're looking at Fox, right? So it's starting to get out of that trend, but maybe it'll break down one more time, right? So I was down here, I just didn't hold. It's all good. It's all good, dude. We made profit. That's all that matters. GS again. I had to buy at the close. Again, look at this drop, dude. Top this wick, 127, all the way down, dude. 9%, 10% off, dude. Almost oversold. Almost. Again, I think it can drop lower, dude. I'm going to be selling into this if it gaps in the morning. I think this can drive lower, dude. Not even below the 200 yet. JD, not we're below the 50 at least. We're below the 150. 200's here. This can drop more. Strong company. Big sell off, dude. All right. Big sell off. To close. 11% off, dude. Not bad. Night. Bought at the close. This hasn't gone anywhere since where I bought it. Yeah, we were up here. Let's see what this is. Yeah, 32, 30. Yeah, we're not going anywhere yet on that. Let's see, MRV. Did I average down on that? I think I did. Yeah, I did average down. I bought more. So this drops 36.44. Not a great entry. Not a great entry. 36.34. We're getting there. We're getting there. Not oversold. Massive drop, dude, for the security. All right. Oops. Huge drop, dude. 9% off, dude. Don't mind it. People are in pain right now, dude. Okay, but a lot of people are up here as well. So, we're not in that. If you were smart and been waiting a few days, doing all right. But I think this can sell off more. Semiconductor company, right? Marvell Tech. Semiconductors don't go on sale that often, right? Especially during a pandemic. All right, again, Microsoft. This candle's fucking retarded, dude. Look at this, dude. The price really hasn't even gone anywhere, dude. Look at this. This is bulls and bears fighting, dude. They're like, no, doji. I guarantee this turns bullish by tomorrow morning, dude. I mean, that drop is not really. I mean, dude, I want to get you. I don't know why I didn't hold down here. I bought down here. I just didn't hold. I don't know why. Should have held the 214. It's just a noob. This is going to sell down more eventually. It always does. Always goes back. But you can see, dude, as soon as it gets back into that range, it's power straight up. Right? So that's where I'll average down. If this really wants to, if they want to just spike it in the morning, I'll sell into it for a profit. But because I know that we'll eventually go down to these low points, but then that's where I'll reload. Now, if we go straight down, then that's where I'll reload. I'll reload with them down there. All right. Yeah. Northern, right? So I bought this today. Again, this is a huge hit. This is a 5% drop. And we were already down on the security, dude. All right. We were already down. So close is right here. Let's see. NTRS. In the money right there. I think this strike is Yeah, this strike's correct. Yep. So that's a 20% drop from last month. Okay, this security's been hammered for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I expect the price of the security to go to, you know, back up here 177. So again, you know, I might hold this. This again can experience more pain. This definitely can experience more pain, dude. 100%. Okay. That's okay. We're below the 200. Fucking 4,900 EMAs all the way up there. Big last drop was this is 20% off, dude, from the last swing high. Swing low, swing high, swing low, right? Support all up in here. You can see the Wyckoff pattern right here, right? It's not a bad entry, dude. We're buying at the close, bro. Easy game. PDD. Okay, now a little out of the money on this. Below the 200, still in a downtrend. This can continue selling off, but we're starting to get there. Again, this security likes to run. It likes to run. What is that? $7 and then flip down. It's aggressive security, dude. Okay, very aggressive. Shit was just spiking up, so this is just selling off right now. People are taking profits slowly. They're selling off in these rallies. Selling off in these rallies. Selling off in the rallies. Rally, sell off, lower. They're going to continue doing that for a while. This security's been running hot for fucking months, dude. Okay. Didn't buy it. Should have bought it. Should have bought it this morning, basically. Didn't. That's okay. It was telling you to buy. Just didn't have it lined up. Same thing here. It's telling you to buy. Someone unloaded in the pre-market. 5 a.m., 7 a.m. was kicked off. We're closing strong. You know, it is what it is. Seattle Genetics bought at the close. This is probably gonna melt down more, but dude, Seattle Genetics, dude. I live in Seattle. Okay, I don't mind buying at the close when, you know, if you look at this. Okay. Not the best price, but below the 50. Next entry can be down here below the 200. I doubt we'll even go that low. Okay, but if this gaps and pushes towards the 20, sell into it, dude. Right? It is starting to get to that point where it's oversold. Once you see that red, they like buying this up, dude. It's very rare. It's very, very rare, dude, that you get these huge red movements with the security, dude. People like this security. Okay? They trust this company. State Street had to buy it. Got back in it again today at the close. Again, really hasn't gone anywhere yet. Okay, they're loading down here. All right, they're loading. All right, below the 200, below all the EMAs, 250s right there. All right, 4,900 all the way up there. This can be a long hold for you if you need it to. All right, I could easily just hold this straight up until it gets back to 62, 63, 64. All right, this is showing serious damage, dude. I mean, we can just draw it out, right? Last swing high to that low, 19% off. And then from the recent wick down to that swing low is 9%, but we're going to go into the entry. I'm getting getting it off at 7% in terms of that recent wick right there, and then I'm getting it 17% off from the swing high. VIE sold off hard, starting to show power. Bought the close. Let's go. Again, whatever reason they're selling it off. Okay, selling it off. I don't know why. Don't care. Okay, I'm getting in cheap. I'm getting in at the close. If it gaps up, I sell into it. I don't know what this company is. It's biotech. It's in the NASDAQ. It has to be doing something positive. Strength. It's only been around for a while, but big strength. Okay, this is the March drop. They took off, sold down. They've been selling it. Right? And it's losing power. But when it loses that power, you see it goes over the 200, goes under the 200. Where do you think it's going to go? It's going to go over the 200 again at some point. Now, it can keep selling down until it goes above the 200. But we're not going to sit here and necessarily just wait forever for it to go above the 200. I mean, you need to play these dips, right? And you need to wait for your oversold. You need to see, okay, there's slight divergence here on the volume, right? You can see it. The price is kicking up. Their buyer stepped in at 9. They stepped in at 11. They're buying in the aftermarket. They're pushing the price, dude. They're stepping on the gas. I expect this to go to 41, 42 within time. I'm trying to get out on at 41-ish. Okay, I don't need this to run. I don't need this to run all the way back up to 50 bucks, dude. I don't need to be a long hold investor during a pandemic when things are so fucking uncertain. Even biotech companies get hammered, dude. I think there was a biotech company that just went bankrupt today, dude. All right, so just be careful, dude. Biotechnology, and I'm diversified. So here's another one, sold off, right? Under the 200, buying at the close, as low as it can go, in this at the same price as these lower swings. Sorry, these lower swings today. So you got to be patient, dude. Right? Doji flip in the aftermarket bar, starting to show power up, right? We'll see how this goes. I mean, again, let's just look at it. Okay, this has been range bound. This is the huge EMA down here, dude. This is the 4,900. So it's very likely that this could eventually roll over below the 4,900. But I'm not going to sit here and short this security during a pandemic when this is a biotechnology company, dude. Just not going to do it. Okay, if you want to short this company because you think it's going to go below this EMA, you can do that. But that's a very bad idea, in my fucking opinion, dude. Even if it's just showing death, okay? If you short it up here after a huge run up, that's different. Okay, and you're closing your short down here where, the buyers stepped in previously. So I stepped in right there at the close. Work, stepped in. Look at his depth, dude. Straight back. Straight back. I drew that line down there because if I want to enter more, buy more, I'm going to buy it down there. Okay. Again, right at the close. Right at the close, dude. You can't get any better, dude. This is a new security. It likely will sell off more. Right? But goddamn. I mean, for Christ's sakes, dude. This shit just dropped. $2, almost $3, dude. You know what I mean? Okay. FE. Right? Boom. Same deal. Just sold out of it. I just didn't feel like holding it. And maybe it will continue lower. Right? Like, look. Check it out. Pumped it up. Slammed it down. Okay. We're not out of the woods yet on the 2 hour. So maybe this will drop more. And I can buy more tomorrow. Okay. Wells Fargo says 40, but dude, it's very risky buying a company that's fucking being investigated by feds, dude. I mean, yes, if you read the affidavit, if you understand what the hell you're looking at, it'll be okay. But it's still risky. And right now, you need to be thinking about your risk. You need to be processing your risk, dude. Okay? Think about it. Do you want to be buying Microsoft when it drops 5% because options are expiring? Many people want to take profit. They're trying to shake out retail noobs that are going to wake up and sell into this immediately without looking at the larger fucking timeline and picture of Microsoft. I mean, what's their dividend? Okay, the dividend's only 1%. But, buyers are stepping in, dude. Look at this, dude. Someone just said, no, we're taking it all. And a bear just said, no, we're selling it down. Right? So they're fighting here, dude. This is, right now, it's even. Look at this, dude. It's price is not going anywhere right now. Right? You can see it. It's just sitting here. We said, no, we're going up. No, we're going down. This is like watching a boxing match, dude. And we don't know who's going to become victorious, but we know that it's Microsoft, and we're going to go back to the 200 eventually. So, 211 where I got in, it's probably a little out there. It's probably not going to happen, but guess what? We're not worried about that. We're not even thinking about that. We're thinking about, okay, if these guys want to take it down below the 200, then that's what we'll get in. We'll get in below 200. Just sell into my hands, dude. All right, because you have to understand it's a combination of many different factors, dude. Again, the rebalancing. Again, institutional investors just taking profits, right? You got to think, dude. You got to think these institutional investors, bro. They got in. Let's see where they got in at, dude. Let's be real, dude. Look at this drop. It's not even on the radar, dog. They got in down here. You know they did. You know they did. They almost doubled their money, dude. Almost. I mean, dude, it only needs to run another what $50 and it's double your money game, dude. Look, we're just running out of buying volume here. And it's because there's just so many different securities to buy, and it's a constant rebalancing game right now, dude, because there's just so much risk. But at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, right? You see it. You see the buying volume going down. But dude, look at this, dude. There's no selling. There's no selling except for in March, right? We're not even counting that, right? Because this is panic selling. This is a reactionary event, right? Where Microsoft loses enormous 40% market cap. It's just asinine, dude. It's like nothing has changed in the last like 30 days with Microsoft, dude. Just people are just shit scared, right? And the algos kick in, right? But you can see it, dude. We know that, again, that's what I'm saying. 200, that's where we'll go in. These trend lines don't really mean too much, but it just gives you some confidence in what you're looking at, right? It gives you a range to consider in terms of prices. Something like this, right? You do recent price action. Okay. Some general shit like this, dude. Some general shit. All right. I mean, for Christ's sakes, this is just one bar, and this is really aftermarket. So these are players that you can't even compete with because you don't have access to be able to trade that shit in that way in the aftermarket in terms of real volume, and the volume is not even there. It look, there's like no volume there, dude. I mean, it needs to be a blood red bar like this that prints, dude, and it's just not printing. Versus FE, which I should have held, which I'm glad I didn't, because now we're going back down. Right? It just kicked down, $2. Boom. Straight down, dog. All right? But look at these blood red bars, right? They really dropped the hammer. They dropped the hammer there, dude. All right? They dropped the hammer at 7 a.m. This is where I was this morning. I was in at 34 thinking that was a floor. Dropped all the way down, dude. That's where I bought. I bought down here. Bought more. So I pushed my average down to like 26 and I just didn't hold. It is what it is. So okay, volatility is now dropping. Just moving on here. VIX, all right, volatility is dropping. That's good for now. Okay, we'll have to see what happens in the pre-market. Inverse ETFs, where are you? See what the buyer interest. None. Basically, we're still bullish. Okay, no one's really stepping in buying inverse ETFs right now. We had some bullishness there. You can see it a little bit, but it's not really concerned about it right now. For this security, I should only probably use the 8, 13, 20, 30, and 50. Buy when it goes below the 8. Start averaging down. It's so risky though, dude. It's very risky. You basically need to go in when you see huge pre-market bars, right? And then sometimes you just don't get that much of a win. It's only like 20 cents, but guys buy like 2,000 shares of this shit. So I rather buy securities. If this is pumping, then I back off the market. I said, okay, oh shit, they're buying up inverse ETFs. Okay, it's about to kick, dude. It's about to sell off. All right, they're buying it up in the aftermarket. They're buying it up in the. Is this the? Okay, it's 11 a.m. So this is aftermarket. They sell it down. Yeah. Yeah, it's just I don't fuck with it, dude. But I don't really see huge buying interest in these securities. So that tells me that right now we're in pretty good shape. Um, you know, this is still running, dude. I cannot believe this shit. I cannot believe they're just taking this higher and higher. This is so fucking ridiculous, dude. This is like the opposite of FE, dude. This is like a bullish run on fucking silver. Like, are you kidding me, dude? I don't fuck with this shit, dude. I'd rather buy companies. There's some people out there that love being diversified into commodities, and it's just like, okay, dude, but like, don't really fuck with the gold's probably gonna, yeah, gold's showing the same thing. I mean, it's bullish all around, dude. Right? People are trying to hedge for inflation. They're scared that the U.S. dollar is gonna lose all its value. They're scared of inflation. They're just scared all around. So this shit's gonna continue going higher and higher and higher. All right, gold's gonna break 2,000, but dude, like anything else, dude, it always comes down, dude. And I'm telling you, this was March. So look, the volume in terms of buying this shit again is what is this? Yeah, it's going down, dude. All right, it's going down. Look. So look, and this is so, dude, I would short gold right now, dude. I would short gold if I was trading this. I would say, okay, dude, let's short this shit. This is fucking retarded, dude. Right? This is gonna come down so hard, dude. This is gonna come down and do some shit like this where it just like you eat shit, just dead, dead, dude. This is a 100 point drop in gold, dude. Right? This is probably gonna be a 1 to 200 point drop, or maybe there's just so much money in this shit that it only drops 50 and it takes off again, dude. I don't know, but I can just see right here intuitively that the buying is really dying out. That doesn't mean that the prices can't go higher. It just means that the real volume, right? The real volume was all in March, right? At that dip, and it was long only taking it up, but eventually it comes home to roost. The higher and higher, it's just like it's like any other asset. You can think it's special, but it's really not. All right, let's go to the news. Let's go to StockTwits and see if there's anything else. People arguing over Microsoft. Yeah, people are buying, dude. Now it's all over the fucking news now, dude. They're gonna be talking about Microsoft in the morning, dude. It's gonna be nothing but Microsoft, dude. It may tank for get the fuck out of here, please, dude. Where are you gonna put your money? Gold? Gold's screaming, dude. Microsoft is selling off. It's becoming cheap. You buy when shit is cheap. You do not buy when it's expensive. If you're buying shit that's expensive, you're going to get wrecked, or you have a higher risk of getting wrecked. Sometimes it works out for you, dude. There's no mystery, dude. It's just people rebalancing. Look, it's at the end of the month, dude. Please. Webcast. I don't need a webcast from Microsoft, dude. No, it's not. It's not forecasting a market correction, dude. There's no. Well, okay, market correction forecasts would be some dire news from the Fed or COVID, or you will see volatility picking up. You will see inverse ETF volume flowing into the inverse ETFs. Microsoft, there's a million other tech companies weighted in the NASDAQ. Okay, Microsoft is a big player, right? But like forecasting a market correction tomorrow, dude? No, dude. No. There's no volatility. There's no speed to this, dude. To the sell off that's been happening in the last few days. Yeah, Microsoft shit. Yeah, get real, dude, please. Yeah, I just told you, bulls and bears fighting, dude. The institutional investors rebalancing. That's all it is, dude. Let's go back to it. Guarantee hasn't gone anywhere. Hasn't gone anywhere, dude. Has not. Oh, actually, you know what? Now we're going up. We're now above the 8. We're above the 13. Next stop is above the 20. We're chopping down right here, up and down, uh, up and down like this through the 20. Right. This is where we were. This is prior lows at 108. I have no interest in buying at 106, dude. Especially when I just drew those trend lines. And generally speaking, turn on volume profile. Oh, why did I delete that? What the fuck? Okay, why did I delete that? That's weird. Shouldn't have deleted the volume profile. Huh. There we go. God damn it. Okay, there we go. Sorry, just bear with me. There we go. Okay. So, your target right now is 201. Just in terms of recent volume. Let's get this pulled. There we go. Down here. Basically 201, as I just said. That's where I'm interested in getting in at. I seriously doubt we'll go 196. It's another target, but dude, that's a cataclysmic drop for a security like Microsoft. You immediately buy that shit if you see it go to 196. It's just obvious, dude. Volume just dies as soon as it goes down to 201. No one willing to sell to you at below 201. And we wick down to 204. Okay, if this gets dragged down, that's where you buy. And of course, right now, yeah, something like this. All right, you see that? You see that point of control line and that volume spike right there? That's to me where you get out. All these wicks tried to push it higher, and then no one was willing to buy. Be so funny tomorrow if this just gaps up and it's right back at 211. That'd be so bananas, dude. But there will be buyers with a security like Microsoft, dude. You don't lose. This is crazy action though, right here, dude. This is crazy. This is almost completely equal in power. Okay, back to it. Yeah. So I didn't buy energy today. I bought some bank stocks, bought biotech stocks, and then some financials. Let's load this up. Okay, come on. Let's go to earnings real quick while we wait. Discover financials down heavily. We knew that was going to happen. No one's paying their credit cards right now. KMI is down. I didn't buy KMI. I like KMI because of the dividend. Sorry, I like KMI because of the dividend. I think that's a good long term hold. Tesla, what the fuck? Crushed it. Crushed it, dude. That's why you don't fight the bars, dude. You don't fight the bars. Tesla's had a huge run up. They're gonna continue just to dominate, dude. I mean, if you think Tesla's going back down, I mean, I personally, because it's so expensive, I'm not gonna buy it until it's below the killed it, murdered it, dude, into the aftermarket. This is massive power, bro. That's a huge bar in terms of 2 hour strength. But to me, I'm just not willing to chase it until it's below the 200. So if you have some balls, you can trade this tomorrow, but I just do not like this price personally. But buyers are stepping in, institutional buying, right? This is a big, big run, dude, in the aftermarket. They took it right up to 1700 and they dropped it and they're taking it higher. But yeah, I had a share down here, 1500, but it's just not at that price point yet where I want it to be at, which is below the 200. And I will wait. I will just wait until this is oversold. It's just not oversold. And with the buyer stepping back in, that pushes more option volume and fucking noobs into the security. And it gives a chance for those institutional investors to sell out when it goes to 1900, which it might do, but I'm just not chasing it, dude. Um, so yeah, massive, massive push down, dude. Boom. Huge hit, dude. Take that off the list. We're not trading that any longer. So yeah, news, let's see. Sectors, we already did that. Whirlpool, Netgear, and TGR. Let's check that out real quick. Boom. Whew. Damn. Again, not oversold. Institutional buyers stepping in. Obviously, aftermarket. This was a good buy if you wanted to play earnings, but the real entry was down here below 200, and I will just wait. I will wait until it's below 200, dude. I don't like chasing shit just because it's printing huge strength. Okay? Get any update here. Buying the dip. Amazing. $50 billion for cloud revenue day is bananas, dude. This is, dude, this is amazing, dude. Now everyone's talking about Tesla and Microsoft, dude. See that summary that guy wrote. Of course, Microsoft's COVID proof, dude. Come on. It's fucking Microsoft, dude. 47% in their cloud revenue, dude. That is insane. Oh, interesting. What is this? Is this options? No, this is, okay, popularity. Ooh, I like this. Really? Wow. Tesla, dude. It's all day long with Tesla. It's all day long with Microsoft. People are playing Snapchat. People are playing Pfizer. I like this. What is this? Ford. Yeah. Well, they got the Bronco, dog. What do you want, dog? That's interesting. I didn't know about this. I'm gonna bookmark this. Interesting. Got to do that research, dog. That fundamental. Yeah. Okay. So we're good. We're good. We can close the stock Twitch shit right now. We'll go to sentiment gauge. See where we're at. Yeah, we're still bearish, dude. That's what I thought. Overall, that's why I'm arguing that it's rebalancing time. Want to go here. Yeah. Damn, dog. 225. Let's go. That was a few days. That was 2 days ago, though. Okay. Oh, man. Do I really need to read that? Not really. Okay. Peak there. Close this. Close this. Check. See. Okay, no. This is what I want to check. ETFs. Hong Kong's down. China's down. I'm looking to buy these two tomorrow. Norway also took a little bit of hit. So China, Hong Kong, we're looking at those. That's EWH. That's a GXC. Perfect. There we go. Woo! What the fuck is that dip, dog? Damn, dog. I wonder if that's going to affect Baidu tomorrow. Someone just unloaded, dude, in the aftermarket. What the fuck? What the fuck? Well, now you're below 200. Not so funny if you're fucking long only on China. Holy shit. This ETF as well. Usually shit does not go on sale that much. So wait until that figures out what it wants to do. And I'm sure Hong Kong is actually, we're fine on Hong Kong. Wait. Oh, wait. That was Hong Kong. Wait. Yeah, that was Hong Kong. Hong Kong's diving. Actually got a tip on that though. I knew should have went short. Actually want to check something real quick. Okay, security just hasn't moved. This news load yet? Dude, I'm telling you, dude. This Benzinga shit is just irritating the fuck out of me. That's what I thought. Might have to pull this up in Firefox. Need to fix their fucking code, dude. There we go. Okay. Tesla's profitable, dude. That's all that anyone gives a fuck about. ConocoPhillips buying up shit. Cloud revenue 17% up. Personal computing 14% up. Business revenue 6% up. Crushing it, dude. Tesla. Wait, what? Dude, such a troll, dude. Oh, never mind. Okay. The company owns it. It has to be. I don't think he owns it. I read that wrong. I thought he owned it. Dude, such a fucking clown. Wow. 75,000. Dude, that guy got ripped off. Should have sold that for 7 million, dude. Fuck that. What? Dude, Amazon just fucking kills it, dude. Period. Fucking period. I don't know why I'm not getting this news. Should be getting. Wonder what that category is. General and politics. News. News. Okay. I do have it on. Oh. General. Global events. Yeah, it's just good to know these things. Fuck you. People are suffering, dude. Fucking absolutely suffering, dude. Fucking people in Ohio is getting scammed by First Energy, dude. Come on. Give people money, dude. It's fucked up. Not supported by fundamentals, yet they turn a profit. That's all that fucking matters, dude. They're making money, period. Yes, price is correct. But the price is the price for a reason, dude. Okay. Well, I guess that's about it. I mean, Tesla's all over the fucking news. Microsoft is gonna be all over the news. Um, that's all she wrote. I'm gonna do another video here in about a couple hours explaining what tools I use in depth. Jesus. Okay, that's a little absurd. Oh yeah, this is. I know why that's like that because we're looking at Hong Kong securities. Go here. Aftermarket. Dumping in the aftermarket. I'll buy that shit up, dude. They better buy it up. This is AstraZeneca, dude. But they sell it down, I'll buy below 200, dude. Be looking in that 52 range, dog. Looking for that 52, dude. All right. That's it. Fucking Microsoft crushed us. Um, we're up $50 today. But again, the tomorrow is the move, right? Tomorrow, as I said, one more time. Gap play, sell into it, okay? Sell into the gap tomorrow, free up the net liquidity, right? Get this number higher, assuming there's no gap down across all these securities. If I do see a gap down tomorrow, it's risk off because funds are rebalancing. They usually rebalance 3 days before the end of the month. Okay, they start that rebalancing. It's a sell off. Okay, I am taking risk off. Right, things are starting to sell off. Microsoft being one of them for no fucking apparent reason. Not too worried about it, but again, these securities, some of them, they're starting to really push up hard, dude. And I do not want to get trapped. Right, do not want to get trapped because Goldman just flips. JD flips on you. I'm telling you, these profit windows, dude. These profit windows are literally. This is the 2 minutes. This is not gonna really help you. But these profit windows for these major securities, in terms of the big moves, right, are very quick, dude. I mean, this is only 6 days. You held the security for only 6 days. I mean, really, you could have sold on that pump, sold a little bit. But usually I wait for the pump and get out. I don't let this run because it's just so risky in this environment, dude. You just don't know if they want to flip it right back down below the 200 again. So usually just lock in that profit. So again, if we pump tomorrow, I want to take it off the table again, dude. Futures just need to be very careful about what you're looking at all times, dude. Right now, again, I would argue that we're really hitting this volume right here. We're hitting this. We're not going anywhere yet. And as I argued over and over again, the more we consolidate, the more likely we break down. You can see the consolidation. Okay, run up. They slowed it down. Right? They consolidate and broke down. Okay, you can see this. You can see this quite a few times, dude. Consolidation, breakdown. Consolidation, breakdown. Right? But the volume, the buying volume is going down. Okay, we're flatlining here. We could kick up for another run. Right? We could kick up for another run up on the 2 hour, but in telling you, this rebalancing is coming soon. And I just want my risk off the table because you'll make way more money on the next dip instead of getting all your positions trapped trying to basically buy in on a small dip at the top of a range, which is where we really are. I mean, dude, we just got rejected on 11,000. Yeah, twice. We got rejected on 11,000. This is a perfect cup and handle. You can see the cup and handle. Sorry to see it stretch. All right, huge cup and handle right here. Rejection. So I just don't. I'm not bullish in this. Like Microsoft's not going to be able to hold up the whole market, dude, because they're getting sold off for no particular reason again. Right. So the higher we go, because we have not had a sustained pullback, dude. We just have not had a dip below the 200 in fucking ages, dude. It's been over actually for the NASDAQ, it has not been since the March drop. Look at this. 0 red days, dude. All right. So just be aware of that, dude. Be aware that eventually it always corrects below 200. It can take time, but it always does. And right now, again, that volume is breaking down, dog. So where do you think it's going to go? It's going to go into that bearish territory. It's going to go into that red fucking territory, dude. And you need to be prepared for that bullshit. Okay? You better have money in the bank. Do not get fucking caught out in the open like a noob, dude. Please. Oh shit. ES1. Here we go. Same thing here. volume going down. Okay, volume going down with a spike in the last couple hours today, right? Again, I think the top there is definitely 3,300, you know, and that's pretty much it, dude. I mean, there's nothing really to say at the moment. It's got to obviously break out there, but dude, I'm telling you, dude, this also hasn't had a correction to the 200. Sorry, below the 200, below the 200 in 3 solid weeks, dude. So this was last month, right? So they sell. This is what I'm saying, dude. This is what I'm saying. In this case, they pumped it. Let me see back here. Look at the 2 hour. Go to 5 days. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, see, they started selling it off on the 21st, 22nd of May, right? And then they took it up and they sold it off again at the the end of the month. Here they sold out. Yeah, they said that's what I'm saying, dude. They sell it. They rebalance at the end of the month, dude. I'm telling you, was this the 24th, dog? I'm telling you, I guarantee you, they pump it tomorrow and then Thursday, Friday they sell it down. Okay, I'm telling you that. It has nothing to do with Microsoft. Someone said, "Oh, well, you know, Microsoft is gonna." Clearly, because Microsoft's selling off, then the market top must be, and that's not necessarily the case, in my opinion. Right? It's just right now people are being weird with Microsoft. That's all. Price still really hasn't gone anywhere yet, and it doesn't matter because this is a blessing. We're already below the 4,900 EMA on Microsoft, so anything really below 207 right now is a buy. And we're people are gonna probably wake up and it's gonna be down to 201, and people are gonna drive it down into the 190s for no reason, dude. And I'm telling you, once it goes below 203, I'm buying. As soon as I see it go below 203, I'll be setting my buy orders all down here at 202, right here, dude. I'll be buying shares and shares of Microsoft because I'm telling you, their revenue is just gonna go up because everyone needs to transform their business as fast as possible, right? All the big tech companies are gonna get a correction, and then they're gonna take off, dude. You need to refuel. You need people to take profit and new blood to enter. Okay, it's just logic. It's fucking facts. It's facts of fucking nature, dude. Let's go to. I mean, these EMAs are all intact, yeah, because we haven't even nowhere even close, dude. I mean, we could melt down easily down here to 180. That'd be insane, but you could do it. I mean, that's all. You don't get those drops that often. Those are the drops that you better be throwing all your money into Microsoft. You better be backing out of the market and then putting money into Microsoft because it's just like it's like taking money from a child, dude. When you see Microsoft dip below the 50, below the 100, below the 150, clip into the 200, you better load all your money down here. And which I did. I just didn't hold. I didn't have those hands. So I profited from a small move up, but not the entire move. But I'm going to start slowly, getting some sense with regards to that. Holding things, instruments like Microsoft longer. Just get those gains. So we're going to leave it there, get this uploaded. I mean, again, tomorrow, I hope you guys bought the close. Again, all these positions, again, buy at the close, buy at the close, buy at the close, sell off, so forth and so on. This, I kind of fucked up the entry, bought at the close, down, same thing here. Oh, we didn't buy Chewy. Take those off. We didn't buy this. We didn't buy Fox. Bought CrowdStrike at the close, at the close, at the close, at the close, so forth and so on, dude. At the close. out of the money here from the other day, but we're getting close to being in the money. Microsoft, that's unfortunate. Bought at the close. They beat earnings and they sold off. Okay. There's follow through. You buy below the 200 because I bought 25 shares up there, so about 25 more down here. 201. Bought at the close. Hopefully this gaps up. That didn't sell off too hard yet. NTRS bought at the close down here, right at the bottom, dude. Right at the fucking bottom. PDD. This needs to do something soon, I hope. Bought more at the close. Drove this down. Drove the cost average down today. Didn't buy this. Hopefully this will sell off. I'd like to load into this because this is one of those safe bets. This is an electric utility company. PEG. Okay. Would have been safe bet to buy that as well. CGen. Bought at the close. Strike on this is 177. Okay. Right there. Boom. Huge damage. Bought right at the close, dude. Okay. State Street. Same thing. Right at the close. Again, you just buy at the close, dude. I don't know how to say it. All right. That's all she wrote. Tesla's going to be in the news tomorrow. Microsoft's going to be in the news. And you can see everything I bought today at the close in the red. A few things in the green. Okay, that's what you want, in my opinion. Just my opinion, dude. Buy companies that are large cap. You don't see any penny stocks in here, and then just wake up to gains in the morning. I mean, if Goldman Sachs doesn't pop, then it doesn't pop, dude. But we're in a downtrend, but when those buyers step in, which they did, okay, after a huge downtrend, okay, there's usually a pop, dude. Okay, usually there's a pop, and you're able to do some work there. And I'm telling you, Goldman, I will probably just hold because we're getting close to that 200, which you can see. I mean, we're below everything here with Goldman, dude. You can just see it. Yeah, you can just see the bands. So there's huge price support down in this range. I mean, this whole block down here, right? 4900 EMA is right there, right? And the price target to this for this, I believe, is, yeah, I mean, this is going back to 220 at some point. I don't know how long it's going to take, but if it dives more, it certainly dives down again below 195, dude. This is just crazy buy. I'll probably save net liquidity if it wants to do some dumb shit like this where it just wants to get hammered down more. But if we pop up the 208, I'll probably put in a stop just so I can protect the profits, because I think did I buy 10 or how many shares did I buy? Yeah, 20 shares. So that's a fair bit of risk. It's like a $4,000 position. Yeah, $3,000 buying power. And I just don't. I want that net liquidity, dude. I want that net liquidity when that shit really goes on sale, and it's not there yet. It's just not on sale yet completely. It's getting there. It's starting to get there. You can see once it dips, right? Once it dips, it fires off, dude. Just like boom in the next direction, dude. You can see it in the bars, dude. And we're starting to get those buyers stepping in right at the close, and that's where I bought. That's why I always preach it, dude. You just wait until the fucking close, dude. That's it. All right, that's it. Gonna get it uploaded. Thank you again for watching this. Again, be careful tomorrow. Save that net liquidity. Funds are rebalancing soon, and that's all she wrote.